Hello, everyone. My name is Danielle Smith. Imagine you and your family member are on your way to the hospital, and when you get there, you find out that your family member needs a specific required heart surgery to live. But because you don't have the right health insurance, you cannot get the required heart surgery, and your family member passes away. This is just one problem of not having universal health care for everyone. Your family member was not able to get the heart surgery they needed. Today, I'll be discussing the problem. Today, I will be persuading you that everyone deserves universal health care based on my own experience and some research I've done. In persuading my audience that everyone deserves universal health care, I'll discuss the following: the problems with not giving everyone universal health care, the causes of that, and finally, some solutions to give everyone universal health care. First, a lack of health care can lead to financial burdens, such as being in debt or leading to bankruptcy. According to the article titled, "What Happens If I Get Sick or Hurt While Uninsured?" published on March 6, 2022, published on the website Women Who Money, states reasons why people are in financial debt. Delaying treatment because of the fear of not being able to pay for medical care is a genuine concern. Going without health insurance coverage, even for a short period amount of time, puts you at a serious financial risk. Without an affordable health care plan, preventive or routine care, illnesses can become severe and cost even more to treat. A lack of insurance can erase your emergency fund or cause you to rack up in debt, and even severe cases, it may even lead to bankruptcy. As stated, these medical bills, prescriptions, and doctor's appointments can all add up to significant costs. Excuse that in the background. Significant cost in the background. Okay. According to the article, "Don't Have Health Insurance, What's the Worst That Can Happen?" published on March 6, 2022, published on the website Investopedia.com, it states how many people don't have insurance. In the first part of 2020, according to a report by a National Health Interview Survey, NHIS, 9.7%, or 31.6 million Americans, lacked health insurance. A cancer diagnosis, a car accident, or even a broken leg can cost thousands of dollars out of pocket, says Dylan Roby, Associate Professor of Health Services Administration at the University of Maryland School of Public Health. As stated, all these medical bills, prescriptions, and doctor's appointments can all add up to a significant cost without insurance. These treatments can lead you in being in severe debt without insurance. Now that I discussed the problems with not having health insurance, I'll now discuss the problems, the causes of that, and finally some solutions to not having health insurance. One main reason that can cause people to not afford health care. One reason is the cost of health coverage is too high. According to the article titled "Key Facts About the Uninsured Population," published on November 6, 2020, published on the website www.kff.org, talks about why people aren't insured. In 2019, 73.7% of uninsured adults said that they were uninsured because the cost of the coverage was too high. Many people do not have access to coverage through their job, and some people, particularly poor adults in states that did not expand Medicaid, remain ineligible for financial assistance for coverage. Additionally, undocumented immigrants are ineligible for Medicaid or marketplace coverage. As you can see, getting medical insurance is extremely hard for everyone, and it is really hard if you do not qualify for financial assistance. According to the article titled Why Do People Lack Health Insurance, found on June 1st, 2022, written by John A. Graves and Sharon K. Long, states, cost concerns are most prevalent among Hispanic individuals, non-citizens, and those likely to face the high costs for coverage and a non-group market, the near elderly and disabled adults. Now that I discuss the problems with not giving people universal health care, the causes of that, I'll finally discuss some solutions to give people universal health care. According to the article titled, Health Experts Discuss Ways to Achieve Universal Health Care Coverage, published on July 20th, 2007, published on the website commonwealthfund.org, it states some solutions. One proposal, co-authored by Ezekiel Emanuel of the National Institutes of Health, suggested initiating a government voucher system instead of the current insurance programs. Another proposal, the state law requires all residents to obtain health insurance. It provides subsidies to those with lower incomes to help them pay for the coverage. And it creates a state-run marketplace called The Connector to help individuals and employees of small businesses find affordable health plans. In conclusion, in persuading my audience that everyone deserves universal health care, I discussed the following: the problems with not giving people universal health care, the causes of that, and finally, I gave some solutions to giving people universal health care. According to the article titled, What is Universal Health Care?, published on March 15, 2022, written by Kimberly Amito, states some advantages of having universal health care. Creates a healthier workforce. Studies show that preventative care reduces the need for expensive emergency room usage. Another advantage, it guides the population towards healthier choices. Better investment in healthcare, health infrastructure, and public education can help push the population towards healthier choices and lifestyles. And that is the end of my speech. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you.